Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change Facebook theme to dark theme. So for that you have to open Facebook in a web browser or your Facebook app. Then here you have to click on account, and here you will find display and accessibility settings. You have to click on that, and here you will find dark mode. You have to click check the on. So once you have clicked on, then it will be dark mode. The Facebook theme will be changed to dark mode. So if you want to do that in smartphone, you will find this in only settings option. So once you have go to only settings option, you will have to scroll down and you will find the dark option there. So that's how you basically can change to dark mode in Facebook. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.